Right, we have found something I have never seen before, and I've got to get down. That little hole, fortunately enough I reckon I can squeeze down. What do you reckon we're going to find? Never seen it before in my life. What was that? Right, we've made down the hole. Look underneath here. This isn't even it what I've got to show you. Look, 1963. Ray Joe, Mad Mike. Obviously a madman built this place, but look underneath here. Let's crawl through this gap a minute. Let's get through here. Right, this is the back of the house. Now look at all this stuff. This is cavity wall insulation. Look. But you move all this out of the way, what can you see? Look, it's drainy. Drainy the drain camera. Have you ever seen something like this before? Look at it. They thought there was tunnels around this area. I was chatting to some chap and he said there's tunnels underneath underground tunnels. Let's try and get through them. And look at this. That's drainy. Now, watch this. I'm actually outside the building between two properties. Have you ever seen anything like this before? Let me know.